Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Like I said, this channel is basically about making money online from right from your home, your office, your schools, or anywhere you are. This channel that's motive. Our motive is to help you make money online. Therefore, we make sure that all that we post here are 100% legit and they are tested and they are really paying so that you don't fall for scams. So before I get started with today's video, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit the notification button so that anytime I post a video you'll be notified and come and watch. So that's all I want for you, just to motivate me to do more by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so in my first two videos I posted on how you can make $10 to $20 per day by playing games online. And the second one was also about how you can generate traffic to your website and the app that you can use to generate the traffic to your website. So if you've not watched those two videos, I've encouraged you to go and watch so that you will know that whatever we are doing here is 100% legit and we are not here to scam or going to post anything about scam here. So in today's video that I'm going to talk about how you can make money online by watching videos online. How you can make money by watching videos online. I'll make sure this video will be very short so that you will not waste much time to watch or spend much data, because data is very necessary to you to use. So in today's video, like I said, is how you can make money online by watching videos online. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So the website that we are going to talk about today is called library. So it's lbry.tv. Library. I'll leave a link below the video so that you just click the link and then come to the channel if you want to join library. Now, one thing about library is good for both YouTube creators and then um, anyone who wants to earn online. Maybe you are not a YouTube creator, you all you are interested in is how to make money online or how to watch videos and earn money online. And if you are a YouTube creator too, you create YouTube videos, I will encourage you, I will motivate you to sign up to library and connect your YouTube account to library. All you have to do is connect your YouTube account to library. Now, once you connect your YouTube account to library, whenever you post a video on YouTube, it will come straight to library. So when anyone log into library, your videos will be shown here just like this one. And then library too, one thing about library too, library is not all about videos. You can post images, you can upload text, or you can upload videos on library. So anytime someone views your image, your text, or your video, you get paid. So now let's go to how you can earn with library. With library, there are so many ways you can earn. There are so many ways you can earn with library. So we just go to rewards. You go to rewards, and then these are the ways you can earn with library. Now with this one, you have to view 10 videos or images or text every day. So you can see I have to view up to 1,000. I have to view 1,000 times here so that I'll get this 75 LBC, and I've already viewed 664. So I just have a few more to earn this reward here. And you can also earn when people follow you. When someone follows you, you earn reward. So the more people are following you, the more your reward increases. That's one is also here. So you can see I've earned for the first one, 2 people follow me. I need to have 5 people follow me so that I can get this 3 LBC here. And then you can also earn by inviting friends. So now anytime you invite someone to library, you earn 15 LBC. When they sign up, you just earn, they have to sign up and verify their emails, and then you earn 15 LBC. And you also have codes. When you get a code, a promo code, anything, you enter the promo code here and you get your reward. Then you also have to just log in every day and then you get reward, and the reward ranges from 0.5 LBC to 50 LBC. So anytime you log in, you are likely to get between 0.5 LBC and 50 LBC. So here are my claiming results here. Here are my claiming. I claimed yesterday. I claimed. So these are all my claiming reports that I have claimed with OBC. Here are my claiming results of LBC. And I have also withdrawn. I've not shown that. Where's my withdrawal? I have also withdrawn from library. I've also withdrawn from library. Where's my result? I think my withdrawal has gone down. Withdrawal has gone very down. Okay, you never mind. But the thing is, I've withdrawn about 250 LBC to my account, and I've exchanged it to Bitcoin and sold it out to earn something better. So now let's go back to the home page. So this is it. This is it. This is the reward that I have now. This is my reward. This is my reward that I have now just for watching videos. This is the result I have now. This is the result I have now. So what payment. So you never mind, we've seen that already. So let's go back to the home page. So all you have to do is just to click on this. You click and then you watch. You don't really have to watch the video to the end before you can end results. You just have to click and make sure the video loads, and then you cancel it, not to waste your bundle or anything. So you just click, and when the video loads, you just cancel, and then you get a reward for using LBC. So basically, this is what I want to talk about, how you can make money online watching YouTube videos. And if you think this video is really helpful, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I post a video, you watch and know what I'm talking about. So don't forget to do that for me. So library is good for creators and it's good for those who they want to earn by viewing images, viewing text, or viewing videos online. If you're a YouTube creator and you want to earn with library, just connect your YouTube channel to library and earn. And now, if you're a creator or if you upload video here, you can also upload video here. Sorry, I didn't talk about that. You can upload a video here. Now, when you upload a video, you earn by tipping. When someone tips you, you earn reward. So let's say I want to I really like this video, and then I'll just click the support to take the person or give the person anything, 5 LBC, 25 or anything, and to go straight to the person straight away. So in order to get more views and more tips, you have to support your video and your video with LBC. So this is what I want to talk about. So thank you very much for watching the video, and stay tuned. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so anytime I post a video, you'll be motivated to watch and then also earn money from your home, your office, your school, or anywhere you find yourself. Thank you. It's your boy, Million Boy here. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.